back. I'm going to try to make this short. In short, been busy, a lot of things going on, and if you follow along, talked about my PC and that it's basically outdated. It was donated generously. We kind of put some fun stuff in it and added to it, but it had a timeline with Windows 10. So I reached out to my really good friend Josh, and he spent some serious time, hold on, sorry about that, looking into what to get for it, using his time to help me out. And this is what we came up with. Sit my ass down. So everything except for the WD Black in the case and the upper fans, but that really doesn't count, the ones you can't see. Everything in here is new, and we went to the explicit level when it came to the lighting, obviously, and all of it's completely customizable, which is really cool. One of the programs runs the RAM individually, so I can change that at any given time. That one, and the top ones are all run through the motherboard and can be changed independently. I left this one separate so I could do other things with it. So I wanted it to be different, even though I can make it the same color, different patterns, just to kind of clash against it. And then the fans that are in the front here, that are all color coordinated right now, have their own independent controls. So based on the theme that I want to do with it, because I'm nuts like that, wait till Halloween, that's all I'm saying. I can go in here and then I can just modify and change real quick. I had the remote in my hand. I don't remember what I did with it. There it is. Remote here. So it's wireless. We'll change these. So I can change colors. I swear I can change colors. I was changing colors. Oh, there it goes. There it is. And it's got a million different patterns and stuff like that. You can change the speed. And then just so you don't lose it. I dropped it. It sticks right there. So, it's got some cool fun stuff. I'm not super tech with all of the terms and all that shit, but it is a million miles faster when it comes to editing and stuff. It needs another SSD for some more memory to store some stuff. I have two 5 terabyte WD Blacks, one's in the back. There, I have an old laptop hard drive that's tucked in the back. That's a terabyte, and then I have another solid state that's a terabyte. So it's got a decent amount of stuff, but it needs more for the internal stuff. So when you put stuff, you know, onto your Windows and your folders and stuff like that on the home. So that's the next step, is just another SSD, probably do a terabyte, and then I can edit. I have room for footage, and obviously some fancy LEDs. So I'm gonna get back at it. I figured I'd share the insanity, and I'm very pleased. You walk into the room and this thing just illuminates the room, even though, you know, I've got the lights underneath there and shit. It's awesome. And then on a whim, I can change it, because I like to change it up once in a while and just have something different to look at. And again, fully customizable. So I'm going to get back at it. The kid's print is printing away, and I'll see you guys on the next one.